automatically. Actually, tatlo. Ne? Your router, PC1 and PC2. PC1 is 50.1, PC2 is 50.2. So, para i-check mo yan, kung may connection kayo, ping.
Ping. Tapos yung...
1 by 1. Ping. Okay. 192.168.50.254. That is your router. So, meron. Okay. Then,
ping.
50.2. Meron na rin. Okay. Definitely, 50.1. Meron yan. 50 na yung sarili na. Next. Pero para sigurado. Yan. Yan. Okay. Check ko lang. 51, 2, 2, 5. Okay, ito yan. 50.1, 2, and 254. Okay?
Yes.
Ito yung command. ARP, space, negative A. Okay? ARP. Okay? Just to check. Para sigurado lang. Next. Connect PC1, PC2 to your router, then configure your router using the above settings. Okay na tayo. Assign static IP address. Okay na rin. Change computer name. Okay. And work group. Okay, how do you change your computer name and work group? Ito. Computer, right click on this part. Then properties. Advanced system settings. Then, computer name, hindi computer description, computer name. So, click this one.
Change.
Then, computer name. Computer name is for PC1, COM1. PC2 is COM2. Okay? Okay, palitan natin na
COM1.
COM1.
COM.
Okay. Then work group is
1D.
BSIT 1D. Okay? Lahat ng computer should have the same work group. Dapat correct spelling. Okay? So again, work group is BSIT 1D. Computer name is COM1. Then, okay natin. Actually, patapos na yung exam nyo. Ganito lang kadali yan.
Dito ba mag-share ng files?
Share ng files.
Ginawa ko.
Okay? Welcome to BSIT 1D work group. Okay natin? You need to restart in order for the changes to take effect. Start. Okay. Anyone, palitan yung computer name ng PC number 2.
Sabihin, para makauwi na tayo.
Yeah, properties lang naman, di ba? Right click on the computer and then properties, advanced system settings, and then change computer name. Then, work group. Ayan, yung next. Next meeting, tatlong computer ang gagawin nyo.
Tulungan mo ako. Sige. Ay, dalawa. Dari kami dalawa niya. Turuan niya ako.
O, di kayo natok na. Natok na. Gagawa talaga ito. Tralalim. Krokodilo bumari.
Restart?
Yes, sir. Paano ako mag-ano? I-write sa tapos lalagyan mo sa
Lelo.
Nag-load yan? Nag-load ba sa Windows?
Hindi, sir.
Cappuccino assassino. Control A, Control Z lang alam ko.
Sir, dalawa yung comp to.
Okay, change computer name. Number 4, nagawa na natin. Create a work group. So, the
Okay,
work
okay.
group is BSIT 1D.
Okay na po, sir. Okay na po.
Next is to configure your network and sharing center. Okay? Saan banda yan? Right-click nyo lang yung icon dito. Then open network sharing center. Change advanced sharing settings. By default kasi, naka-off yan. Ito. So make sure naka-turn on. Okay? Turn on network discovery, turn on file and printer sharing, but turn off password protected sharing. Okay?
Na-open na sa Windows 7.
Okay, test natin. Pingulit natin. Okay, paki-check yung network sharing center. Naka-on. Right-click on this icon, open network sharing center, and then advanced sharing settings. On. Okay. So how do I check kung napalitan ba yung pangalan niyan? Okay? CND. What's the address? P
191.2.
168.
50.2.
Tama, di ba? Meron, di ba? So instead of using IP address, use name. Okay? P
Com.
com 2.
Ayun, tama.
Apply.
Parehas.
IPv6 nga yung ginamit, hindi IPv4. Eh? But may packet loss? 0%. So 100% yung connection natin.
Pwede mag-share.
So how do we share files? Okay?
Bluetooth.
Configure, Bluetooth supply support, then file and folder sharing. Okay, ganito yung gagawin nyo.
Tapos sa isang folder na sa ito.
Gawa kayo ng folder. New folder. Let's say your group number.
Bigyan ng
Group 1. Okay. Then under group 1, sulat yung mga pangalan. Gawa na lang tayo ng for example, 1. The name network. Okay. Group 1. Then, okay, let's say members. So yung mga members.
Superman. Superman. Spidey ko. Spider-Man.
Nag-collab, boy. Nandun ka. Nag-collab.
Koni.
Ako, nag-collab.
Then, green.
Sir, bakit puro
Green.
Ayan.
Justice.
Tignan natin.
Justice.
Puro man. Wonder Woman.
Ito yung folder, di ba? Ano natin i-share sa network yan?
Right click.
Di ba sa peer-to-peer, pag nag-share kayo, accessible lahat yan sa lahat ng client. Okay? Right-click natin. Properties. Then, click sharing. Do not choose advanced sharing yet. Advanced sharing, ginagamit yan sa server. Okay? Dito sa
Share
share.
lang. Direct share. Share.
Then, add everyone. Okay? Add. Then, permission is
Read and edit. Read and edit.
read and write.
Read and edit.
Okay? So, meaning to say, read and write, pwede mong i-edit yung file na nasa loob ng folder. Okay?
Ang sabay-sabay lang yung pagpunta.
Kung read lang, viewing only.
Pati ko.
So, palitan natin. Read and write. Okay? And then, click.
Share.
Then,
Done.
then, close natin. Ano kayong group?
Grupo.
Group 2, gawa kang folder doon. Group 2. Then, sulat mo yung pangalan ng members ko. Kahit tatlo lang.
Kadali.